Hello comrades! For today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I make my voice for Vox. So first thing you need is Audacity, obviously. The link to it will be in the description. It's free, people. Then you need a voice track, like this one.
You know what they say. Video killed the radio star.
I don't know how to explain this, but you need to manipulate your voice in some way to make it sound a little Mark Hamill-like. Anyway, now let's get to the editing. First thing you need to do is select an empty part of your track with just background noise, go to Noise Removal, click Create Noise Profile, then double click to select the track, go to Noise Removal and click OK. Now there's no more noise. Up next, we're gonna go to Change Pitch and change the pitch of this track by -15. Next, press Ctrl D to duplicate the track. Go to Change Pitch again, change it to -20 and click OK. Then lower the gang/volume on the second track by -10. Now select both your tracks by Ctrl A, go to Tracks, Mix and Render. Next up, we're gonna go to Compressor. I don't know how to translate this from Russian to English, but move the first setting all the way to the left and the third setting all the way to the right. And make sure it's a compressor based on peaks. Now click OK. And we have the bass part of Vox's voice complete. Let's hear what it sounds like.
You know what they say. Video killed the radio star.
As you can hear, something is missing. We need to apply the mechanical sound effect. Here is how I personally do it. Oh, but before that I need to silence the ending part of the track. Duplicate the track, go to Create, click Silence, and the length of your silence should be 23 milliseconds, or whatever it's called. Then duplicate the second track and do the same thing there. Additional 23 milliseconds. Press Ctrl A, go to Tracks, Mix and Render, and that's it. Notice these red bars? That indicates clipping. The audio is too damn loud.
You know what they say.
But we'll fix that later. Now let's get to the reverb part of Vox's voice. I use the same preset as for Nightmare. Room size 30, pre-delay 10, reverberance 80, damping 50, tone low 100, tone high 0, wet gain -5, dry gain 0, steer width 100. And don't check the wet only. Final step. Go to Amplify and reduce the volume just a little bit more than the recommended to make sure there's absolutely no clipping. And we're done. This is how it would sound like.
You know what they say. Video killed the radio star.
Well, comrades, that's how I make my voice for Vox. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This has been Ink Me Dead. Peace and out.